Let us quickly go over the tutorial for ISVA, which is Improved and Secure Video Annotation Tool. ISVA implements an online video annotation tool for users to annotate videos. ISVA have two categories of users. One are video annotators who can log in, see designated tasks, which could be video or images, and then open up those videos or images and annotate or classify the features in them. The second category of users are administrators who can also log in on the same web application and add more video annotator users, add Amazon Turk tasks, add or remove um, new tasks which would be videos or image plus. Let's go over the tutorial for video annotators. We have hosted the web application to do video annotation on Amazon Web Services at this public IP. So we have hosted it on a Linux virtual machine. So this is the web application where the user can see a list of videos, and let's say I am a video annotator and I would like to annotate the video ID 2. So I view the video ID 2, and the second step is to enter a username and password. The username to evaluate this web application would be test, and password will be test v8276. Test. So now we are in the video ID 2, and this is a detailed instructions and requirements on how the video annotation should look like. We even specify all the keyboard shortcuts that you could use on the video player to annotate the features. So this is the C bar of our video player, and let's say the video annotator wants to annotate from this frame. He have 6 features to choose from to classify the features on this frame. So let's say I see cars, so I would annotate this car. That is one annotation. This is the second annotation on the same frame. This is the third annotation on the same frame. So after doing this work, I can save it by clicking on the submit button. Once you have saved this, all the annotation objects will be sent to the server, and on the server we save all of them onto a database, and we generate a data set which is JSON based, which could be linked with all the videos and fed into machine learning algorithms. This is our Linux-based virtual machine on Amazon Web Services, where the web application is hosted. So on this, we have created a new folder dataset where we save all the JSON objects for the video annotations. We just annotated video 2. So if you see the content of the annotation JSON object, which is linked with the video 2, you see that we have annotated 3 cars on the same frame, and all the information would be here, and it's easy to understand. So as we see, it is a list of annotations, and the first annotation starts from here, and it is of type car, and that car is at the keyframe where X and Y positions are given and the width and height of the rectangular frame is also given. For the second, so the width is here, the height is here, and X and Y positions are also there. So the second car is over here with its keyframe annotated over this, and this is the same third car detail. So this is the way the annotation will be saved, and we can easily parse this JSON object and link with the video inside machine learning algorithms. So coming back to the player, we have 7 controls over here, where the first control will go to the beginning of the video, and the last control will go to the end of the video, and the play button would simply be playing the video at its native frame rate. This button over here would take you to the next frame like this, so that the video annotator can easily annotate the objects. Say after this particular frame I want to annotate the next frame, I can simply click next and just resize if required. Simply I can go over the next. So this car is moving out of the bounds. So if you see, I did not annotate any frame in between this point and this point, but the player had the capability to interpolate the position of the annotation rectangles from this frame to this frame. So when you play back the video now, we can see that we interpolate all the frames. Even at this point, the frame is present. You could easily correct the detail over here, and then the additional detail is again saved into the database in the server. And if you go back to the server and just examine this folder at video 2, the annotation JSON object will now have the entire information over here. So let's go back. So we just saw annotating a video which the administrator had posted at video ID 2. Similarly, the administrator had posted at video ID 150 a sequence of images which are JPEG images. You can view them. So this is a sequence of images that were posted by the administrator, and I can annotate on them in the same manner as a video, I do on a video. And I see bicyclists, so I could always annotate the feature with the feature classification and save it. So this is video ID 150, and in the same way now we will have video ID 150 annotation JSON object, which is linked to video ID 150, and we can see that it's a bicycle being annotated over there along with a car. The same thing. So now, going back to the tutorial, we explored how to annotate, we understand the video player and the 7 controls. The other 2 controls, this button is not implemented yet, and here you can see the timestamp of the frame, the entire duration of the task. So we went through all of them, where finally the video annotator can save the annotation data into the server, and we would efficiently write the annotation real time into JSON objects, which could be fed into machine learning program. So the next feature that we would like to demonstrate is private annotations. Say if you view this as another user, so this was our video number 2, which was annotated by test VA or the test user, and you're not able to see those annotations over here. But if you go back the video 2, if you open as test VA, you are able to see this. So now I'm logged in as another user over here. You can easily annotate the same frame, and it wouldn't override the annotations done by the other user. You could always save this and go back to the other user and see these over here. And the second user will only see his annotations in the. So coming back to the administrator page, you can thus add new videos over here, just like we have added this video. You just need to give the file name and the host name. Currently this file is being hosted inside the AWS virtual machine itself. Similarly, you can view the next job, which is a list of JPEG images which are hosted on our AWS virtual machine, basically the server. So as you see, it is a easy to use tool where you can easily add videos or image lists and let the user see it as a list of tasks and easily view and annotate each of the frame one by one using a easy to use tool. And we are adding more features like collaboration, where uh, you could group the videos and say this video can be annotated by multiple users simultaneously, and you could see everyone's work real time on your screen. Thank you.